Guys, may kakilala ka ba or ikaw mismo ay nakakaranas nito? Goiter, myoma, arthritis, diabetes, bronchial problem, prostate problem, high cholesterol, Alzheimer's, thyroid problem, liver problem, kidney problem, colon problem, heart problem, ovarian problem, constipation, urinary tract infection, weak body, anemia, back pain, cysts, lupus, vertigo, pneumonia, allergy, hypertension, psoriasis, and other degenerative diseases? Isante barley juice mo na yan. Ang barley juice ni Sante ay isang herbal juice drink na 100% organic and non-toxic at all natural. Hindi ito gamot, ngunit marami itong natutulungan na may mga sakit. Ang Sante barley ay purong-purong barley from New Zealand. Kung interesado ka, PM is the key.